Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Phil and I'm a boy who likes playing with makeup. So yeah, let's go on into this video. As you can see, I already did my face. Everything that I used on my face will be listed right down below. So this video, I'm wearing red, have a red mirror, it all ties into everything. About a month ago I was on Twitter and I stumbled upon Coca-Cola makeup. Now if any of you guys know me, you know that I'm obsessed with Coke. I know I should probably quit it, but I can't. My favorite is Coke Zero. Vanilla Cherry Coke Zero is probably like my favorite. I had to like search the internet to find this product. So the Coca-Cola collaboration is with a brand called the Face Shop. The website that I found them off of was Beauty Box Korea, and it took a month to get here, and here it is. I wanted to open up on camera so that I can have an authentic reaction to it. I bought the eyeshadow palette and 2 lipsticks. So yeah, let's dive into it. I'm so excited. Why is this so carefully wrapped? It's a box. Okay, it had to travel across the world, so that's why it's so heavily packed. Wait, this is really small. I assumed that it's probably going to be around the same size as like the Kylie Cosmetics palette. I don't know about physical actual size, but more on like the pan sizes. Oh my god, what if I open this and this is like not even the product that I ordered? Either way, you're getting a tutorial. Alright, here we go. Oh, it's so packed. Oh wow. And this is the eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, that's so cute. Do they have shade names? They don't have shade names. That kind of sucks. I'm totally shook. I totally thought that this was going to be like the size of like this. I didn't realize I grabbed the burgundy palette. How fitting. But yeah, I mean, oh, it's like a little, it's tiny. It's itty bitty, but it's so cute. So each eyeshadow pan is 0.02 ounces. And I believe these are 0.5. Yeah, 0.05 ounces. So it's from the brand the Face Shop Mono Pop Eyes 1 Coke Red. I think that's the technical palette name. So here are the 2 lipsticks that I got. I actually got one for a friend because at the time of purchase I was about to film my first video and she helped me out, so I was like, you know what, I'll buy you a lipstick. I bought the shades Refreshing Rose, which I think is this one, and then I got my friend the Coke Red. So this is the Coke Red. I assume the same red as the bottle, and this is the one that I got for myself. Refreshing Rose. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Yes, that's pretty. So let's dive into this look. I'm drawn to these 3 shades at the bottom, but I kind of feel that like I should dip into the red. Oh, I can do the red and I can do that to deepen the crease. Okay, yeah, let's do that. Alright, first we're going to dive into this shade right here. We're going to use this as a transition shade. It is a little powdery. Yeah. We're going to just cut that off. Oh! That is a lot of powder. That is a lot of kickback. Alright. There is a lot of kickback with this. Okay, so now we're going to take the red shade and just pop it all over the lid. I'm going to press hard into it so I can need a lot of pigment, because I'm not sure how this is going to work. There's definitely fallout. Not as pigmented as I would like it to be, but it's working. It's cute. Definitely patchy. Like the brush is brighter than my lid. Try my other packer brush to see if let's see if this can get more product on there. This works a little bit better. I kind of just want to dip into my blood sugar palette and finish this look. If I use my finger, will that work? Oh shit. Sometimes fingers work. Using only fingers challenge. Oh my god, there it goes. Wow, shit. Oh my god. Even with fingers, I still have to continue dunking back in. My blending brush, the one that I first used, tap into the red shade. I just blend it out a little bit. It's kind of a mess right now, I'm not gonna lie. Like there's a bunch of fallout that happened under here. So I guess I will be smoking out the underneath with the red. So back at this disaster. Normally I would go deep in the crease, but I'm just gonna smoke out the underneath with that red so that I don't look as terrible. Shows up. By the way, did anybody go to Coachella this year? If so, did you guys have fun? I saw the Beyonce performance. I was pretty amazed by it. I'm just as amazed as how this eyeshadow look is turning out. This red is so hard to work with. And I just recently filmed my Kenzo video, so I know reds that actually do work. Next, we're going to go in with that darker shade to deepen up the crease. It's like a cranberry, dark purplish color. So I feel like that will be very appropriate. Just as much fallout as the other ones. Okay, so in that case, I'm going to go very steady. I think I'm going to concentrate this shade in the outer V. I'm trying to make this work, but it's really trying me. I should recreate this look using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics blood sugar palette and see if it's my skills that's lacking or if it's the eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take a blending brush that has no product on there and just try to clean this out. Wow, that is getting really bad. That is just like... this is getting out of control. Wow. This shade is not blending at all. I feel like wherever it goes, it just sticks and just doesn't want to move. I'm going to go in with this brown shade right here, and then I'm going to darken up the crease. I mean, it is darkened, but it's not like darkened how I want it. It's brown, it's not even showing up. Doing it on the brush, there's still on the brush. I don't like how this is turning out at all. Like, it's not blending out cute. Okay, so I'm gonna try putting a shimmer shade over the middle part. See, they feel creamy, and they come up on the, when you do it, but then when you go into, oh, this shade though. Yeah, the orange doesn't feel as creamy. I mean, it looks like they picked up. Like that. Okay, we're gonna go with this shade because the shade really seems seem to work. Get on the brush. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, I probably should have done like concealer on top, but no, that's alright. Okay, this shadow is barely showing up. Can I fix bust up? No, I don't. I don't have anything with me. Wow, look at that. It's quite a bit of fallout. Keep on trucking. Come on. Oh. It's literally falling down my face. All the crumbles are literally like falling down my face. I'm gonna go back in with the red to just touch it up on all of here. Now let's take the shimmer all the way down. I'll use this top one to highlight my eyebrow, my brow bone. Alright, I'm gonna take this one. Oh. Dive into this shade. Get the brush coated. Let's try fingers. Slightly better. Do I want to dare to put eyeliner on? Let's do eyeliner. Eyeliner. This is my first time doing it on camera. Next we're going with the Sex Kitten eyeliner. And with the ugly face. I'll try this darker shade. I'm gonna put it under, try to smoke it underneath. Alright, next we're gonna go with mascara, one of my favorite, the Lash by Benefit. I'm so tempted to just be like, we're not. Alright, last lips. This shade was called Refreshing Rose. Alright, and we're done. I don't think that there's anything else I can do to save this look. Alrighty, and this is the final look, unfortunately. Yeah, this is a big flop for me. I did not enjoy working with these eyeshadows at all whatsoever. There's just a lot of fallout. I don't know if you can see on there all of just like the mess that has just been created by all of the fallout. They did not blend out well. The only time that they worked well was when I used my fingers with it, and like literally all down here I just see fallout, I just see color, and just the shadows did not blend well. I'm kind of disappointed. All of this lip though, this lipstick is really cute. I would not recommend this if you want to actually use it, but if you want it just because you're like a major Coke addict, you're obsessed with Coca-Cola, I would say get it if you're into like collecting Coca-Cola stuff. But this did not work for me at all whatsoever. It's absolutely 100% cute, but not functional at all. As I'm like trying to like think, oh maybe I'll use it again. After looking all under here, no, I don't think I'll be using this again. If I need any reds, I think I will be diving into this one. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video of me creating this look, hit that like button. And if you enjoyed me, then show me some love by hitting that subscribe button. and don't forget the bell notification to be alerted every time I upload. I upload videos every Wednesday, so yeah. If you want to follow me outside of YouTube, my social media links are linked down below or on my profile. So yeah, thank you very much and have an awesome day.